Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 6 latest defense updates. Number 1, MRFA race with upgraded Eurofighter. Airbus is throwing its hat in the ring for India's massive medium multi-role fighter aircraft tender, offering its latest iteration of the Eurofighter Typhoon. This Tranche 5 variant promises a significant leap in capability, aiming to secure a place among the 114 jets India seeks to acquire. The Block 5 Eurofighter boasts a suite of advanced features including the E-Scan active electronically scanned array radar. This powerful sensor provides superior situational awareness and target tracking, crucial for modern air combat. Next, NG warfare with low observable missile project. India's DRDO has received the green light to develop a critical component for a new long-range air-launched weapon, a low observable air-launched cruise missile. This project signifies a significant advancement in India's air attack capabilities. DRDO will develop a cutting-edge, low observable, active electronical scanned array seeker. This advanced technology incorporates special materials and shaping to minimize radar signature, making the missile significantly harder for enemies' radars to detect. Next, Kalyani reveals artificial intelligence powered advancements in attack's artillery gun. Bharat Forge chairman Baba Kalyani has shed light on some of the advanced technologies incorporated into the advanced towed artillery gun system, that is attacks. A 155 mm 52 caliber towed howitzers being developed for the Indian Army. These advancements positions the attacks as a formidable weapon system at the forefront of the artillery innovations. One of the significant improvements attributed to artificial intelligence involves a reduction in the attack's turning circle. This is achieved by employing artificial intelligence technique that utilizes two linear variable differential transformers arranged in a triangular configuration connected to the towing vehicle. Next, no ditching Astra Mk2 for Astra Mk3 air-to-air missile. Recent rumors suggesting the Indian Air Force is abandoning the Astra Mk2 BVR RAM, that is beyond visual range air-to-air missile, in favor of the Astra Mk3, which are inaccurate. Astra Mk2 for Mk3 that are under development will be procured in large numbers when it is ready for production. The Astra Mk2 utilizes a cost-efficient dual-pulse motor technology, making it more economical choice for large-scale procurement. Next, carbon fiber advantage propels Indian Navy's corvette prowess. The Indian Navy's anti-submarine warfare prowess receives a significant boost from the indigenously built corvette INS Kavrati and INS Kiltan. But behind these crowning jewels lies a crucial piece of Swedish innovation, Saab's advanced carbon fiber superstructure technology. Saab's expertise comes into play with the integration of a carbon fiber composite superstructure onto the vessel's metallic main hulls. Next, joint exercise in Pacific Ocean by UK and Indian navies. The United Kingdom and India are set to significantly enhance their naval cooperation with a major exercise planned for the Pacific Ocean in 2025. This development signifies a growing strategic partnership between the two nations. The announcement follows the UK's decision to deploy its High Readiness Littoral Response Group (LRG) to the Indian Ocean region in 2024. Thank you.